Hey Dazers, we're doing something exciting today. I am taking Hajia and Maysur out to Chuck E. Cheese and to Red Lobster because they both came home with honor roll in the first quarter. Hajia actually, she almost got honor roll, but she got a C in gym or PE. Hajia is not exactly gym material, so I'll take that. She just struggles in PE, so yeah, we'll take it. I'm gonna take them out and this is the first time Maysur has ever received a report card, so I want to make it such a big deal. I want to make it like exciting. That way, maybe that would motivate him to continue with the good grades, inshallah. So I'm gonna take them out. I just finished praying. I'm leaving work. Excuse the darkness. I was trying to get some work done, but I'm gonna go pick them up, and we're gonna head to Chuck E. Cheese, and then we're gonna go to Red Lobster, something like that. So stay tuned. Hey Dazers, I have here my crew. We are about to go inside. Yeah, we're about to go inside Red Lobsters for get an honor roll. Except somebody needs to work in PE, work really hard in PE. But yeah, I'm very proud of them. I'm gonna take them out for a treat, and hopefully someone else can join us next quarter. But yeah, let's go in. Let's go have fun.
Yeah.
Endless shrimp. See ya.
Class, so I couldn't get it.
We're going in.
Then I dropped Popeye over there.
Oh, ew. Popeyes and Red Lobster. All right, let's go in.
Why did
Let's hurry up because we have to go pick up Hedef after, and then go to Chuck E. Cheese.
We're going to Chuck
Ready?
E. Cheese?
Yeah.
You didn't say anything.
We were talking about graders. Graders. Are we going to graders? Are we going to graders? Ooh. You see the lobsters?
He likes.
I think we're going to get wood grilled shrimp for Maysur. And we're going to get the endless shrimp. Here's our drink.
I got my Sprite. Yes, sir. Got his lemonade.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Sir, say lemonade.
Lemonade.
My mom has her water with lemon. Yep. We got our plates. We ordered. What did we order?
And with shrimp, I got the shrimp scampi. No, you got the shrimp scampi with
Teriyaki.
No, I got the teriyaki. And I got the Alfredo.
I don't want to.
I got the shrimp Alfredo.
And I got a side with fries and mashed potatoes.
Okay, that's not here. What else do you see here that's not here? What is that?
Flag.
The flag. Good job. Where's the flag at? Is it sitting on the bird or it's sitting on what?
Sandcastle.
It's sitting on the sandcastle. All right, let's find more pictures or more items. What's here that's not here that you don't see in this picture? It's in this picture, but it's not. What's that?
Beach ball.
Beach ball. Yeah. So we found the flag. What do you see? What is that?
I think. It is
What does that look like? Look at it.
a bottle.
Bottle. Yeah. It's a bottle. So we got our food. I got the shrimp Alfredo and I can't remember what shrimp, teriyaki glaze, right? And Maysur got his wood grilled shrimp with fries. Do you like it, Maysur? Are they good? Okay. And Hajia got, what did you get? Fries with shrimp scampi and
I think that's
glazed shrimps with mashed potatoes over there. Yum, yum. You got what?
big shrimps.
Maysur got big shrimps.
There's little shrimps over there.
Yeah, I got little shrimps in my pasta. spaghetti.
It's not fair that Hadia got these food.
Yeah, she got extra food. Just gonna do this.
It's the best mom in the whole world.
Who?
It is.
Are you sure?
Are
You're the best thing in the whole world.
you sure?
I am positive. Positive.
Are you really
Mom is
sure?
missing out on these delicious foods.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Hey, Mom doesn't care. He said he doesn't care, Hajia.
I told him that we're going today, and he was like, man, no, y'all better save me some.
No, he doesn't care. So, we're gonna eat
And eat.
without him.
Without him.
What did you tell the lady in the bathroom?
Hello?
What did you say?
I said,
Okay, what happened?
so,
We have an animal.
so she came in, and then she was like, how's school, guys? And I was like, good. And I was like, my mom took us up because we got honor roll. Well, I got A's and B's. He got A's. He got honor roll. And she was like, oh my God, good job. Something like that. And then she was like, your mom's nice or something like that. And stuff. I was
And
like,
you said
yeah.
your mom isn't nice?
I said, yeah.
And then what? My son?
And I said, have a nice day or something.
Then she said to have a nice day. Have a nice. Then I said to have a nice day.
Yeah?
I said, okay.
Okay.
No.
I ordered some Alfredo for you, Hajia.
Where?
It's coming. I am very stuffed right now.
I want more ketchup.
Ketchup.
Maybe
You can have my Surf's ketchup.
No? Okay.
My Sir is doing his magic trick. Fry on a stick.
Cheese on a stick.
Ooh.
Potato on a stick.
A trapeze artist. The fry is the trapeze artist.
Awesome, right?
Ooh.
There's some more.
So cool. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay, my sir. Ooh, okay. Okay. Ooh, okay, my sir.
Stop, Hadia.
Sorry.
Really?
I did it on accident.
Yes, on accident. Accident indeed. We are so stuffed here. Ooh.
My belly's big.
Okay, somebody's full, so they have food to play with. Okay.
I'm going to show you Daze how to eat properly.
Okay,
You guys
Madam
don't eat
Popper.
good. This is how you eat properly. You take your fork, your clean fork, dip it in the spaghetti, you twist it.
Actually, the proper way is actually using a fork and a spoon.
Who wants to see my
Spoon.
Yeah,
No.
I'm gonna show you one of these days.
Oh, and here's some shrimp. You gotta cut it, of course, because we don't want that much. No, we're on a diet here. So we cut it.
You're still gonna eat entire
Perfect.
plate, Hajia.
Perfect. Finish that first. Wash it down with a cup of water.
That's right, Hajia.
We're trying to make the people gain weight.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
You saw nothing. You heard nothing.
Bug.
Ah!
No! It's not a bug, it's a fly.
Mister, get it off.
I lost my appetite. My sir, no!
Yay!
It's a fly, see? It flew away.
Okay.
I'll be right back. No problem. So they got a free ice cream because one of the workers told the other workers that I brought them out because, calm down, my sir. She told them that they're here because they did well at school. They got honor roll. See, it pays to be smart. It pays to work hard. That's what it is.
My award-winning smile.
Okay. It pays to work. Hard work pays off. My sir, pull your shirt down. We don't want to see your underwear. Pull your shirt down.
Oh my God! I wanted a chocolate. Vanilla.
No, we don't want to see your underwear. No.
Okay, you don't want
Nobody
to.
wants.
Nobody's disappointed.
You guys should say thank you, and that means we're gonna work even harder next quarter, right? My sir?
Hopefully, Imam will not.
My sir? What did you say, Hajia?
Hopefully, Imam will do it.
Oh, okay, I thought you said the other one. My sir, does it mean you're gonna work harder next quarter? Right? All A's, all the way till the end of the year, okay?
And then you'll get your blue cat.
And you're gonna listen, you're gonna keep your hands to your body, right?
Not do cartwheels in class. And not hit people with rocks.
Stop. Okay, so you're gonna be good, right? Miss Han told me how hard you work. You just need to control what you're talking.
Yeah, and his behavior.
Miss Hamdia, stop calling me Miss Hamdia.
Oh my god, I'm so full.
Thank you, Daze, for being such awesome subscribers, watching our things, but we have to end this. Bye!
You guys enjoy your ice cream. Abby,
Yes. No, wait.
what do you mean wait? Wait for
First
what?
bite goes to the person who took us here.
Oh, thank you. Wait, sir, who are you feeding?
You.
Wait, sir, look what you did.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
We eating, we out here. We eating, we out here. We eating.
Ew, man, sure. Nobody wants to see that face.
Stop looking at me.
Too bad, boo-hoo, so sad. Wait,
How do I pay?
No bad who
who knows about a race?
No, I'm not racing. I want to pay.
Rise and shine.
Apparently, they charge for the game.
Why attention?
Oh, $1.99 for the game that Mason was playing on here.
Oh,
That is so funny. Wow, I had no idea.
that's not fair.
Interesting. Hey, we got free ice cream.
Yeah, that's true.
We ate a lot of shrimp. Just in case if you guys didn't know, if you go to Red Lobster and your child plays on the tablet they have, just be aware that you will be paying $2, $1.99 right there.
I didn't even know that.
$1.99 for the tablet, just so you know. Yeah, I thought it was free. No, it's not. Oh my god.
Mason, where's mine? I mean, give me a needs to get some.
I'm okay.
Chop here. What about the Dazers?
Where to next, my sir?
Pick up her
Where to next, my sir?
Huh?
Where to next?
Sexy.
Recording sheet. Let's go. We are heading out. Our server today was Nikita. She was awesome. What was her name, Hajia?
Nikita, I think, or Nikita. I don't know.
My sir, do you want to say goodbye to the lobsters before we go?
Oh, they can't use their claws.
They can, because they've been tied up.
Why am I eat? Do they eat each other?
They don't eat with their claws, Hajia.
Somebody hold my juice.
No, you hold it.
Juice, mister.
And I'm getting cold.
We're going home. Well, no, we're going to go get head off. I think we should go pray over there and then go to Chuck E. Cheese. And Chuck E's out. Edo. You got Chuck E. Oh, there goes Hannah. Hey, sir, come on. Oh my god. Where?
Mason, where's the plastic bag? I put it over there.
That's not cool, Hajia. Hajia, just go get it.
Rocks. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You guys. Hanaf, Hassan. Hanaf. Hanaf, Hassan. He does not get it. Hanaf is so clueless. Hanaf is just looking at Chucky like, where are you going, buddy? There goes Chucky.
I tackled all the kids. Well, I was gonna do
You
that.
didn't watch it. You did not tackle anybody, Hajia. I'm just so confused. He's like, what just happened? He looks so confused.
Oh, look, they got pie face.
Lucky, where'd you go? Sure. You guys put your tickets together.
Can I get the Dots ice cream?
Okay, we just had ice cream. Hey, sir, come on. Hey, sir. Let's try this one. Temple Run. Ooh, this game was the ish back in the day. Alright, hold on. I need to do this. Hey, sir. Jump. Turn. Okay, my sir, you're good at this. Did you die? Okay, go, my sir. That's your ghost, my sir. Oh, Hadaf is driving.
Yes, sir. No.
And it's okay. Yes, sir.
Kenny, you are an excellent driver.
Ooh, Hadaf, you're an excellent driver. Hajia, give me the card. Hadaf wants to play something. Hadaf, what do you want to play? Go, Hadaf. Wasting money. Hadaf, no. Do your own. No, just do your own. No, Hadaf, no. Move left. Welcome back to another shout out box. We have here Maser and Hajia. They're going to shake the box and pick 2 names today. Go ahead and shake the box. Hurry up. Okay. It's okay. You pick 2 names.
Close it.
Alright, what do we have here?
Abian
or Abian, like she says. Abian, thank you so much. Congrats. Thanks for being a loyal Dazer. All right, let's pick the next. Let's read out the next name. Who's next?
Hule.
Show us. Let's see the name. Hule. Hule K. Hi, Hule. You know who you are. Thanks for the support. Thank you guys. As always, be sure to
Like
and subscribe.
comment and subscribe.
Comment and subscribe.
Bye, Dazers.
Bye, Dazer.